in this house. I remember this in class. Started singing it too. Oh. Best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time.
Oh!
What?
I want that. I want that. No. Meow.
Ew,
I'm
no.
Chloe.
Ew. Hold my. Ow. That was my eye.
My leg. Hey, ew. Bridget, I sat on that. You broke it!
You broke it.
You broke it. Don't lie. He broke it. You broke it. No, he broke it. He texted you. He broke it. Please stop singing. Oh. You hear my musical ability. I should be like, I'm like the next Britney Spears. But mine's the whole schoolgirl stripping thing. That's just not how I roll. Oh my god, I can hear him again! Where's Patty? Patty! That sound weird. What? Scared you and Sean. Classic.
No, that was when I taped Sean to a chair.
No, we tied him to the chair with my patrol belt.
Yeah, and then I kicked the chair over.
I can see the lights at your house.
Why do you always have to stare at my house?
Cut! Look at the light. The lights look like a heart.
Yeah.
Bridget.
What?
Bridget.
What?
Do you find the soccer, Bridget? Bridget. Ow. Ow!
Soda.
Hey, where's that? There's someone I drink out of.
Well, where's the one I can drink out of?
Are you sitting on it?
No.
You are sitting on it. That's not
It's on the left side of me. But I can't drink out of it because I can't air sip it.
Fine, drink out of it.
But your mother bought it and Maribeth would kill me alive.
Maribeth doesn't know. She'll be singing her ABCs while you drink. Oh, well, seizure there.
This one's not funny. Because I stopped talking to you.
I'm joking. A lot. I got a head to a straw. Yep, I have head to a straw.